Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, chat. Welcome, community. Good evening. Good evening. Look at that. That's a lovely page to start off. That's a lovely page to start off. And we're having a good time, I tell you. We're having a good time. $25,000 yesterday. But we've got, in 30 seconds, we have PPI, guys. Careful. We have 30 seconds for PPI. Market sitting on 876. Inflation data. Yesterday, yellow box. Promptly touched. Let's see how we trade this. And then we are going to start publishing and announcing. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. We're going to trade this by activating our copy trader for our 200K static. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Oh, what are you up to? Look at that move. 100 points on a table. Oh, I don't know why. Market's running hot. Market's running hot today. I wanted to trade our blue sky. Here is it, guys, on the blue sky. And I wanted to start it with a 200K accounts. Good morning, good day. Welcome, guys. PPI. Just in time. Let me quickly... We're speaking about lower than expected, guys, for the PPI. 0.2% expected on 0.3%. Oh, yeah. The market is enjoying this. The market is enjoying this. Just like yesterday. The market is really enjoying. All right, guys. Good morning, good day. Good to see you onboarded. Happy to have you here, lovely community. Gotta get out here and share the presentation in all the groups as usually. In all the trading groups. We are live. FirmLive is not working today. Good morning, everyone. Do I have? Or maybe that's on your side. We have to see for the other community members. How's the audio, guys? Do you hear something different on the audio? I don't know. I can't see anything special, Jake, on my side. Maybe it is from you. Oh, yeah. So we're going to trade Blue Sky. We're going to trade FundedSeat. We're going to trade a lot of these things as usually. Lucid. I'm going to send you some links. Audio sounds good. I think you have something happening on your side, Jake. I think the green tea this morning was too powerful for you. Oh yeah. So Blusky, the link is there, chat, for those of you that would like to sign up. We're talking about a prop firm we're trading since 2022. They've been online, October 2022. A lot of the accounts here, but we're testing out the static accounts. 3 different codes for max discount: launch with the Scrembo code, Propel, Scrembo 30, and SCREMBODIRECT with the instant funding, guys. Maybe he has 2 tabs. Oh, there you go. That was it. You're too high already. Market's touching the weekly opening. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We still have to touch the likes, minimum 180 for the giveaways. We gotta go there. Happy about the way PPI comes out. It looks like the CMA predictions are no longer favoring any hike for the moment. Touching the weekly opening, 952. A possible rejection could appear here. We have our 200,000 static that we're trading, copy trading. We have 2 of 200k static, 2 of 150k static. We made yesterday $2,000 on the static. So from their Propel accounts, 189 for this 200k. So from a 2,000 static drawdown, after the first day of trading, we made it, and it's 4,000. We made it to 4,000. We're trading on 4,000 today. If you would have had an end of the day drawdown today, you wouldn't have had $4,000 drawdown. You would have had $2,000 because it follows you based on the end of the day balance. So that's the major advantage, guys. Yeah, that doesn't mean we're going to have an easy time performing. I got to be cautious and have my first round of green tea for the streaming today. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, fellas. I like it. So 2 days, CPI and PPI yesterday and today. A lot of the people that go with passing the accounts in a single day, such as with a Lucid Pro, you can pass the account in a single day. The ones that went for the YOLO and targeted longs, PPI, CPI give you the right numbers to pass your evaluation in a few seconds. Obviously, extremely risky, so unless you want to do this by fully accepting both possibilities, it's certainly not suggested in any other instance, unless you fully agree with the nature of the risk you are accepting. That's one of the things, guys, I'd like to preach. When we decide to expose to something as over-leveraged, over-trading, chasing, running on FOMO, pushing the emotions, if we do this, then we certainly have to accept the outcome in a way of taking responsibility for the outcome before it happens. What I mean by that is you certainly want to be familiar with the risks involved of the nature of your activity in terms of the volume and intensity of activity. A lot of the people go max contracts and they're not expecting to be blown in 20 seconds. They're not expecting. So just because of that 20 seconds, they were expecting to at least have a few trades running back and forth and possibly pass it, but certainly not 20 seconds. And just because of that, they're ready to tilt so hard, blowing the whole picture, right? So it's very interesting how it is hard to create the proper expectations towards what we do. Yeah. There you go, Maddie. So you were not doing PPI, you only did CPI. What I'd like to mean is you cannot be surprised by the level and intensity of your trading. You should not be surprised. You should not be surprised if you lose in a few minutes thousands of dollars when you're dealing with that kind of sizing. At the same time, you shouldn't be surprised to make thousands in profits by doing that. This thing is valid for both directions. It's never going to be a single direction trading. Even for someone on the 2nd of July, people were having fun. They were saying, oh, look at that, Scrembo 148 down. He is rubbish. We're 148 down on July, 2nd of July, and we're fine with that. 6 figures loss. But we did the math today. For July, we talked about on Monday when we lost $235. We talked about it. I told you my July target for this account is to be break even. I've did the math today, and it's on our Discord. The math is on our Discord. Here you go. Total profit 162,000. Total loss 148,900. Net PNL plus 13,749. Posted about it today, which means we're already on profit. For the account, we lost $149,000 in a single day. This was an important exercise. A lot of people say, why do you trade these accounts at some point while you're still continue trading? Well, this is a heavy exercise for me, guys, to deal with these numbers. And challenge my mental for recoveries, challenge my mental to be continuously balanced and capable of performing. It is a proper, real challenge for me to deal with this big belly account. So it is extremely useful, extremely useful. Extremely useful. I would pay a few thousands to repeat this exercise if losing this account, because it's so valuable. The lessons you learn when dealing with this sizing is nowhere near to be compared with the lessons you learn dealing with different sizing, with a usual sizing. So as a trader, I need this. Yeah, I'll look into that one, Kim, but I guess it's really fresh out there and a bit risky. A bit risky. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you. We're gonna have an education talking. Make sure you like the video. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Remember, we're gonna do the giveaways without formula as soon as we hit the likes on time and touch our targets. You guys can see how the price action is having 30-40 points in this 1 minute candles. So you have to synchronize with that. If you're doing a bunch of minis, you just want to make sure you are aware of that. You're fully aware of that thing. We're sitting on micros and we're dealing with big accounts. I'm testing out some long here for a continuation. And I'm not looking to do anything big. I'll be comfortable when the candle turns green. I'll be comfortable with a profit when the candle turns green. Good day, good morning. Space Jam or Swinger Trades, you're doing a lot of the points there. You're not just scalping. I gotta be tight here on my stop loss. Give me that little money. Oh, that's why I told you. I'm out 677 down. That was not looking good. And there is the weekly opening here, guys, which is supply. And this thing could attack me. So I accepted the loss. We're doing copy trading. And you know, sometimes you have to do the right thing. How much we made yesterday? $25,000. What's my experience with Blusky payouts? We only started trading Blusky for a few days. We have like 4 or 5 days since last week. Yes, it is a great company, yeah. We're talking about a company that's been online since October 2022. No one is having problems with a Blusky. More of a community-based type of company, not mainstream, right? So a lot of the traders do trade in this company with their communities, not that mainstream like the big boys. Well, you got a link right there, guys. Comparing with Lucid. Well, depends on the plans. Depends on the plans. There are different... I talked about a comparison here on my Discord. Someone asked me about the advantages and interesting parts in comparison with Lucid, and we talked about it in our Discord. A very interesting part is that your funded stage is segmented in 2 different parts with Blusky, right? So you first pass the evaluation, and then you have a funded stage segregated. First it's buffer, and then it's funded. That's the way they call it. But in a nutshell, it's kind of the same thing, because we're looking at the values and the numbers, and you know, if you're looking at a 50K, you have a 3,000 target on the evaluation, you pass that, you have a 3,000 target on the buffer, and then you take that 3,000 and you trade with it on the funded stage with daily payouts and no consistency. Alpha is down, and it's I'm about to make a video about alpha. It's to be avoided, fully avoided on alpha. Testing out along from here, guys, on my Blusky. But you can check out basically my my Blusky video on the payouts if you want to find out more. And Kit, you can check out my video about payout rules. I talk about it in my last video posted with the payout rules on Blusky. Good morning, good day, Miss K911. Here we are having a great time. I 100% suggest everyone to avoid alpha futures. 100%. I'm going to be out for the moment. Yeah. Made some profits there and accepted that profits. Yeah. Exactly, alpha. We had great experience on the other side. If you want to go with a FundedSeat, we have $6,000 cashed out from FundedSeat. FundedSeat Flex accounts, basically. Let me share that with you. For those of you that are looking forward, trying things out, where we already qualified on payouts. FundedSeat Flex, basically, they have the flex plan, which is very similar to what Lucid is having. Yet it's even better because it's not requiring 5 days on the funded stage, but only 4 days. Right, so you can request your payout every 4 days. Now it's 50% off unlimited uses, basically the 50K flex. They're certainly screwed. The payouts from FundedSeat received in the same day, usually a few hours. 5 to 6 hours, 7 hours, something like that. 6 grand payouts. And we're continuing. We're trading basically in instant funding accounts from there. Market is still continuing the upside. I like this. Yeah. Big problems for alpha futures. And today, this company is still top ranked on all sorts of prop firm websites, which is why you gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be careful listening to all sorts of prop firm ranking, scores, whatever kind of thing, and many other, even the most popular ones. They're still ranking today alpha futures as one of the best. No formula today, no formula. So if you're walking around this website today to find out more on the promotions, alpha futures will be suggested to you, a company which is having a lot of clients complaining on the payouts, which have been refused, denied. If you look at Trustpilot, I'm gonna make a video, guys. There's people that had $20,000, $30,000 approved, which are voided. Where alpha has been promoted by all sorts of YouTubers. Oh my gosh, by some of the big ones on podcasts and all that. Now, Maddie, that platform Alpha has, which is their own, that platform of trading is extremely, extremely poor. Lucid is the best in the space, uncomparable. Yeah. A lot of the big YouTubers promoted them. Yeah. Rolling back on approved payouts. That's another thing. It's one thing you are going to deny because you don't have the money and you just deny. But then if you approve your guys, if you approve your traders, that's another problem. That's another problem, guys. That's another subject, another topic, another level. Right. You just cannot approve your traders for the payout knowing you're not going to deliver that. That's so miserable. So miserable. And you keep them like that, pending, hoping they're still going to buy some. Because it happens. We have pending payouts. And we start spending money knowing we're going to receive something in the next few days, right? So I guess they took advantage of that. Nah, I don't like it. Buenos dias, what's up, guys? With the Spain running over France yesterday. Oh, Lucid is the best one in the space. You guys see what happened with Spain. Absolutely amazing. France. No midfield. Zero midfield. Zero support for the attack. Zero danger. Unbelievable. It was a little fish, France, yesterday. A little fish. Midfield masterclass. Very good. No spaces between the players. Very hard to score. Listen up, guys. If Spain scores first, it's very difficult. Extremely difficult. The most difficult for the opponents to turn that around. All the loopholes. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Keep in mind, we must hit 180 likes to do today's $300,000 giveaways. Yeah. Goalkeeper, exactly. Exactly. Advancing and participating. Exactly. Advancing and participating actively in the construction of the game. Really well. And that header with a keeper 30 meters away from the goal is very important. Nah. Really good. But look at that nasty Nasdaq. Becomes unstoppable. It's riding the wave. And I like it. I like it. That 30 grand right there. Ha ha ha. Should not be a difficult target. I am back in my longs here for my Blue Sky static accounts. Oh yeah. We're going to try to find a way around this. Formula is down. England or Argentina? Well, that's kind of tough. I don't really have a favorite one that. I'm out. Beautiful. So we recovered another $300, guys. Slowly recovering everything. Exactly. So I'm thinking that England quickly has to score. And they're going to have a good time with that. Yeah. I don't know. Probably they have the money. But it's one thing to declare something void and unsustainable while we don't know it's like that, guy. So think about Jonathan. You and I and anyone that is not having the exact numbers, which is not possible unless you hack their system, right? And you don't have access to their financial situation. You will never know if something is profitable or not. So we never know if it's an excuse or it's a fact. It's an excuse to secure a large amount of profits, or it's just a real factor and their risk management messed it up. You will never know this. You will never know this. Yeah. This is slowly grinding, and I like this kind of price action. We're still down, but I'm not worried. There is a lot to recover here. We're trading above daily VWAP, trading above the weekly one. Market's looking great even for the 4 hours. Are you guys aware how great this is looking for the 4 hours? I don't think you're aware. Great for the upside. Let me show you. Look at that. You guys see those highs, and we're about to deal with a possibility of a breakout. If you clear the 30,000, you're going to clear that structure, and you're going to have a BOS, break of structure here. the downtrending environment can be annihilated. I guess the downtrending environment could have been accelerated with a CPI and PPI coming out differently, coming out as expected. But it didn't. It was totally different than as expected, so that's why the rate high is now on the table for the moment for rate hikes. The world economy it is in trouble for years already, right? Which we can see there is no correlation in terms of price action, direction, and the world economy. I think it's very diversified. There's countries and countries, really diversified out there. And also we can see they have abilities to push the price action, push the markets up with difficult economical conditions. I mean, if you look at a Nasdaq sitting on 30,000 surviving anything correlated with the war, bombings, and all that, you wouldn't expect this one, guys. You wouldn't expect this one. Oil prices. We just went through pretty much everything. You need to clear the high here. If you don't clear this high, it's going to be bearish. But then you're going to have your 29,300s, this one. And you're still having levels below where you can have the reaction, and that's going to be fine. Indeed. And they will charge one way or the other. They're already charging. There's so many ways doing this business. So many ways of applying. Good day, welcome. Hope you're having a great time, guys. So continuing with our trades. The market's not being connected, basically, with the political and financial situation of the world is extremely weird. It used to be different 10, 15, 20 years ago. Markets used to reflect the situation with a higher accuracy. It's no longer happening today. I'm testing out on my long here, obviously risky. But I don't think that wick we had, that hammer we had there, reversed hammer, is going to remain untouched on the liquidity. So I'm just targeting 387, a few points. And I'm going to sneak my way into this for a $380 profit, clearing that loss. We don't like the red P&L, do we? Good luck on that, Cabrera. Good luck on that. You're going to hear the fireworks today, hopefully. Hopefully today is going to be more about the fireworks. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We got to stay strong. Look at that green tea. And we're going to trade our FundedSeat too. Big spiders. Heat. We're looking good for the moment on this one. Yeah. I heard him. which is giving time, and this time is important basically for the internals that most likely know what's happening to act. This is time for actions, which means protection for them. Protection for the ones that have access to informations, and less protection for the ones that are just finding out every 6 months, right? So, oh, there you go. The target has been touched. $92 profit from being down 700. Celebration time, guys. We're going to celebrate. We actually deserve a lovely round of fireworks. Oh. Feels great. Come on, guys. Come on, guys, for the Blue Sky Trading, the static accounts, you gotta use this link. You gotta be signed up there and then get the ball rolling. 200k static, Propel, Scrembo 30% off, unlimited time. No activation fee. The launch accounts have activation fee, and they're only one-time use, 50% for your new clients. There's no other discounts for this launch, and it's Scrembo code here, right? So, like I told you, with Blue Sky, we have 3 different codes. It's the only company. We gotta open up Lucid. 24 minutes and the market opens, guys. Thank you so much. Remember, we're also trading Tap 1, Savius whenever we have time, running through FundedSeat, running through all these things. But let me tell you, we're in a very comfortable situation with Lucid to touch max payout on 50k. 3 accounts of 150k have been secured. You got 110 on Lucid Pro, you passed it, right? You don't need 110. So let's get back to our 5-minute representation. Oops. 5-minute representation here. I'd like to show you something on 15 minutes. You guys know yesterday's box has been touched. Yesterday's box has been touched. Last week's high, 30,094. Today's high on 62. 300 points between the highs and lows today. But I'd like you to have a look into the reaction points. You guys see the red line? You guys see how accurately the red line is delivering? Oh, so you need basically 6% on that. 6,000 bucks, Pip Guru. The good reliable yellow box has been touched like 6 times or 5 times, and it's just once without the touch. It misled us just once. So we can take this one away. 15 minute is right there. The 5-minute approach is having a few weeks for the upside. Market is distributing a little. Market opens in about 20 minutes, guys. That's not the EMA 21. It is an indicator, and it's dynamic swing and chart, volume weighted average price. If you want the indicator, I can give it to you guys. About a script. It's for free. This one, let me send you the link. A link is in the chat. And the settings for the indicator, we have them here. You'd like to pause the stream, do a photo, screenshot, whatever, or replay that part of the stream to see the settings. I'm using it on a 5-minute most of the time. 15 minute is decent too, but 5 minute it gives great reactions, and I like it. The red line is that indicator I was just talking about. Dynamic swing, unanchored, volume weighted average price. Red and green comes with it. Ha ha ha. Testing out a little long here, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. And here's the big belly account. I'm so happy having more than 400k in the account again. I totally forgot about we were trading Lucid Pro on the funded stage, which has 40% consistency, and we made yesterday 4,800. So we made more than longing this one on 4 minutes. This Lucid Pro funded. That's great. This one is also needing days. It's the only thing that it needs, days. We have enough money, 157. So it only needs days of $250 minimum. Where's the buying pressure? Where are you, buying pressure? Have you decided to step away as soon as I clicked? You know I disagree with that. And you should get back on track. I don't think there is going to be a slow bleeding till the opening, which is why I'm longing my way into this. I'm going to DCA for this account. Double up at a time the new candle opens. And I'll be happy going for minimum numbers. I will be happy going for minimal numbers. We also went long for the FundedSeat, one of the accounts. Quite a lot of contracts, 55 micros. We might want to go down for 952 weekly opening and then bounce, or simply touch that VWAP 937 of the day. So I'm a little early on the long from this standpoint. Weekly opening, daily VWAP there, speaking about. This one. Weekly opening right now, about to touch it. Daily VWAP. Probably gonna test out for a long soon. I'm gonna log my big belly accounts too. About to touch the VWAP here. I don't know if we reverse till the opening, but look at that one, guys. This is where we are. This is where we are. I've DC'd on my Lucid. I've DC'd on my Lucid. Couple of points are needed. We're 6 minis long. Market opens in 14 minutes. How long is a deal for Lucid Pro without daily loss limit? It is not specified. They don't want to specify it. It's going to be suddenly cut. Which link for 300k? You're talking about the giveaway. The giveaway is not having formula today. No formula link today. It's not working. They're not specifying for how long the active is going, for how long the deal is going to be active. 40% off, unlimited users, no daily loss limit. 2 weak candles of the bulls there. I'm not liking it, guys. I'm not liking it. If we don't sort of away move right now, it is not going to look good. I need a liquidity spike and that's it. Otherwise, I'm going to get out of this trade. Take the loss and get out of trade if it looks ugly. This is an interesting candle. Our big belly accounts are making profits, that's fine. But I'd like to have some good profits for the other ones that were working, because we have 5 funded. We only need 300 bucks here. A little risky for a $300 target, what I did on 6 minis. But I was ready to accept some of that 1,000. A few contracts have been filled. From 6 we're down to 4. So 2 contracts have been filled. You participate the giveaway by staying on the live stream and guessing the number when the giveaway starts. You don't have to sign up on a link because it's not working today. Link is not working today. Another thing you guys have to know. So Lucid with their 40% off on the Lucid Pro, no daily loss limit. They allow you to accumulate as many accounts as you want. To load up, in other words. Come on, move, baby. Move. It is not looking bad. We're so close to that target. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. We also have our FundedSeat long here. A few more points needed. We have our Blusky long from the highs of 970s. Bad in that one. That's kind of the worst entry amongst my trades. Come on. Just a little more. Beautiful. That has been hit, guys. Beautiful. Probably I'm gonna reorganize this entry by taking the loss here for that account. I'll get out all the trades. I'll get out all the trades for Lucid and reorganize. I'll get out here 2 on my FundedSeat, 589 profit, and I'll get out here 2, guys. We're down 532 on Blusky. That's good. Not an issue. Not an issue. I think I can have a much better entry in a situation. Look at that one, guys. So, pulling back already. Haha. 354, we're not going to trade this account anymore today. It's enough. And this is having, let me share with you. So you guys have to see exactly. Look at that. It's day number 4. We only need another day, guys, and we're ready for a payout with this one. I want to show you all the accounts on Lucid that are funded, the way it works. This is a Lucid flex of 150,000. We made yesterday 5,900. Aggressively trading. It's basically, let's just count from the beginning. Let's say we have the 2 big belly that are ready for payout, and you guys know them. 2 big belly ready for payout. This is the 3rd ready for payout whenever my next profitable day of 250 is completed, which could be tomorrow. We have 157,000 in the account, top left corner, you can see that. So we touched the max payout, which is for 156. Then, here's for the next account, let me share with you. Next account is this one, which is having 162. And here's the performance for this one. We're having 6 trading days. Lucid Flex 150,000. It's ready. This one is ready. So, the previous, this one, with plus 2 big belly, it's 4 accounts. The previous still needs 1 more day of 250. But we're very likely to have ready 4. We have ready for sure 3, fully ready 3, very likely 4. And then the 5th is this one. We're down 459 today. We're going to continue trading, not an issue. But yesterday we made 4,800. And this is a Lucid Pro with 40% consistency on the funded stage. It's the only Lucid Pro funded that we have. So this 4,811 should not worth more than 40% of my total profits, which means I still have to produce money for this one, a little more. That's why today I'd like to have a 2,000-3,000 minimum profit today. Daily VWAP reacting once again. Look at that, daily VWAP reacting once again. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We must have minimum 180 likes. The deadline is 1 hour from now for the likes. Let's see if we can get a few points downwards from here. I'm testing out a short against the support that we have here. But I'm just testing out for a couple of dollars. Nothing wild. Right, so I'm not expecting basically to do 200 points. If they want to take this one down, I'm ready to... If they want to take the liquidity below the VWAP, I am ready to smash that. We have the algo starting in 1 minute, guys. Careful. 12,100, Matty. We'll have to do it. We'll have to do it. So our 4,811 should not be worth more than 40%. We still got to do like 5 to 6,000. No, more than 5, more than 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. It's not giving me anything. It's going the other side. We're having the 5-minute algo triggered, and that could pump. Or could actually dump. You never know what's happening. Oh, the algo didn't touch me. The algo didn't touch me. It went down to 40s, but it didn't touch me. My 37 target. We just wicked without touching. Probably I'll have to be out of this, guys. Yeah, I'll take the loss. Down 968. Not an issue. Not an issue. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you. The uncertainty is high here. Liquidity can be grabbed from both directions. And I'm not gonna gamble unless I see something reliable. Which is no longer going to mean I am gambling. CPI, PPI yesterday. Today, a lot lower than expected. Market is hanging around nicely. DXI is down. DXI is down. Which is good. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Which is good. 940s. Not touching anything. Yet. Waiting. Market opens in about 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Careful on that one. Ha ha ha. 300 points dump. Ha 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 ha. You would wish, right? Maybe a few points here or there. Give you some nice hope for 300. Ha ha ha. What's up, guys? Good morning, good evening. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Formalo is not working today, but we still do the giveaways without Formalo. Oh yeah. 300k. Full port? It's risky here, guys. You're sitting on the VWAP on the daily. And they're building a trap for the opening. So I would try to be careful. I'm telling you, major risk on board. Haha. Major risk on board, look at that. If I'm not trading my big belly accounts, then you can imagine about the risk involved. Market opens in a few seconds. So we gotta be tight on that. I like the feeling of being relaxed with the opening and not having 10 minis fighting on me. Here's the bell. Ring the bell. Market is opening. Good luck, everyone. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm watching it. I am watching it closely. And I'm shorting 2 minis. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Come on. Give me some nice juice. We're shorting 2 minis. Let's see if we can get something. Something from nothing. 3 minutes short. Market's still holding around this level. Look at that. We also shorted our blue sky. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Stop loss break even here. I'm out on my blue sky. We recovered. And I'm going to be out from here too. Lovely. Lovely, guys. Profits pretty much everywhere. We recovered a lot on the blue sky. Look at it. We're down 129, folks. We're down 129. We're down 600, 700, 800, something like that. So celebration time. We're also down on this Lucid Pro funded. Celebration. Celebration. Boom. Take it slow, Scrembo. Take it slow. We are struggling. Otherwise, we're struggling if you're not going to take it slow. The energy is high. 169 down. I'm happy. This would be my 5th account, guys, for the payout. Classic recovery. Oh, yeah. It's needed sometimes. Gotta start off with my big belly accounts. They also need some classic recovery. I mean, they don't need to recover. They're making they're on profit. I'm synchronized nicely. The big bellies are here. It's 1,600 profit. Oh. You see those wicks? Can easily get you trapped. Those wicks can easily get you trapped. I got in a little long for my blue sky. And I'll do 10 minutes long basically for my big belly accounts. And we're going to trade the other one too. Look at that. The big bellies are printing already. I'll do some nice minis for our Lucid Pro. 6 minutes for Lucid Pro. Give me a little move. I'm not gonna ask anything on the greedy part. Give me a little move and I'm out, I promise you. I'm out here. $500 profit. $500 profit, guys. Look at that. Plus, for our Blue Sky, we're making money. Stop loss break even for the Blue Sky static accounts. Oops, accidentally I exited. 187. Totally created the loss and we're up 187. Accidentally I exited, guys. My bad. That should have been way more, just like it is on my Lucid. Our big belly accounts are making a hell of a money. We're gonna go stop loss break even and leave it open for a run towards 30,000. What do you guys think about it? Scrembo's on fire. 12VC is getting terrified. Look at that. What platform do I trade in? Blue Sky, the deep charts with Volumetrica. Are they gonna bring this one back? Oh. They just cash out on me. Wow, trailing touch, guys. Trailing touch, trailing profit. But that's crazy. There you go. No time to exit. No time to exit this way. We exited in profit. Few dollars. Good morning, good day. Here we go. How sustainable is this? Daily opening 805. Probably the easiest trade today is going to be New York session going above 30,000. No. You don't have magic. I'm well protected. No. I explain you, it's Spain. I explain you. Midfield is missing from bronze, totally missing. Therefore, the easiest trade for today is to long and wait for the New York session to take it above 30 grand. This is not going to remain below the 30 grand for the entire New York session, is what I speculate. Is what I speculate, guys. I only speculate. Oh, look at that. I like to be out when this happens. I like not to have trades. Oh. Oops. I like not to have trades when this happens. Oh, you want to go 700s. So you actually don't want to go 700s. You want to ruin the day. Ruin the day of the ones going longs. You want to ruin the day. You don't need 700s. You want to see the day ruined with those emails. Drawdown. Limit drawdown. Spain. If Spain is playing like that, cannot lose anything. It will never lose a game if they play like that. They will never lose a game. Reach your nurses. You got a difficult job there. Way harder than trading. I don't think the peacetime is going to help the markets. I think we're going to get the reversed. During peacetime, it's going down. I'm watching, guys. This is a different type of trading where I'm not really jumping blindly. I'm watching slowly, relaxed, and nicely. $805 daily opening. Look at that. Daily opening 805. Blue Sky is in profit, 187. FundedSeat 589. We still have to trade all the 4 accounts on Blue Sky. We're having 4 different accounts of static, 2 of 200k, 2 of 150. Daily opening there. Wondering. 805, 745. Weekly VWAP 700s. That's what VWAP wants. They want you guys to... He wants you guys to get that email with a drawdown limit. That's his objective, 12 AC. He's putting pressure in our lungs. 786 first take profit. Just like the 31,800s, right? Or the 31,200s you had for weeks, and that never came in. Ha ha ha. Ah. Look at that, we're having difficult time here. You're manipulating chat, and our chat is heavy on market makers. It was a joke with the car, I'm sure about it. It was a joke. No, it was a joke. That thing never exists. You want to check the press, the local press. Oh. She had one solid trade, and I didn't expect it this drop. Badger, you gotta blame 12 AC. He's the one preaching for drops, sell-offs, drawdown emails. Hell of a community member. 14 bucks left. Yeah. It would be probably the best recovery. Pip Guru, you shorted. Look at that, 50 points bounce, right? Look at that, Pip Guru, 50 points for the upside. Which trading platform do I use for Blue Sky? I use Volumetrica with deep charts. Volumetrica with deep charts. Volumetrica deep charts is great. It has daily lockout. You have stop losses with all the functions available. You have copy trader integrated. You have nice trading. Look at that. Pip Guru. Oh. No, I'm relaxed. I like the money I have in the account, all the green P&L aside. Why would I struggle for more? Great platform for sure. I mean, I do want to make more on my Blusky. I'm not gonna stay in this non-greedy state. Oh, I gotta change, guys. I have to switch around. Look at that red candle. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look at that damn red candle. It's a great platform, Oliver. Wow. They are attacking the daily opening, 805. I wanted to short, guys, this 1 minute candle. I wanted to short this one so bad, but I guess I missed out. This 1 minute candle. It was also a 5 minute. Daily opening, 805. I am going for a bounce. Is it too early? You name it. You name it. If it's too early, we're going for a bounce on the daily opening. I hope they don't dare not to attack that and touch my limit. I got some of the nice limit orders on FundedSeat and Blusky, and we're gonna get some nice limit orders on this Lucid Pro. I'll get a heavy one, guys. I'll get oh, there you go. Come on. Ha ha ha. Give me that. 8. Oh, there you go. Some of the contracts have been filled. But not everything. Just 2 minis. We need a little more. Six minis have been filled. Come on. Rip it. We are good to go. The orders surely have been filled on the other side. Look at that. Fully filled up for my FundedSeat. Fully filled up for my Blusky. Now the daily opening needs to give us something. Needs to give us something. Daily opening. 90 contracts. I don't have a lot of drawdown on this one. Do not dare to take it away from me. 8 minis. Watch out. The lower it goes, the higher I'm going. Sold 4 minis. So, secured half of my... Putting stop loss break even. Ha ha ha. Look at that. This is looking great, guys. We're stop loss break even. We touch it. 977 profit. Guess what? We're not touching this account anymore today. No. 977 profit. We've been riding nicely. It's good. Even though I said it, I like to do 2,000 or 3,000 here. This is looking like a possible good entry. Let's do a single contract. Let's do. You know, that kind of risk management mistake is still accepted. On a single contract, you guys give me mercy. As soon as I finish saying I'm out. Beautiful, that's it. 1,213 celebration time, guys. No, 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 no. This is where we gotta make money. This is where the precision is needed. No, 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 no. for our blue sky. This is the place. Markets gotta react. Not liking it. We got subbed out on $400 here for the funded seat. Come on. Welcome. Starting not to enjoy this. No reaction to the daily opening, guys. That's just a terrible thing. Terrible weakness. Should have a lot more in the daily opening. Still acting weird. Still acting weird on that. Knife catch type of a market here. Knife catch. Do you want? Very likely no. A big no. A big no for the knife catch. But you know the big bell is a little different. Here we are, guys, with the big bell. You like that bottom entry? Bottom tick? Take a look at the bottom tick entry. Bottom tick entry. Bottom tick entry on my... I'm out here for both 8,500. Beautiful. 8,500 celebration time. Scrembo's on fire with this. Weekly VWAP. That's the weekly VWAP. Got into our magic long. Everything is on profit here. Let's go for a nice long on our big value accounts again. I wouldn't mind a few grand. Yeah. You got a link here. Here's the link, buddy. Look at that. You guys like my entries? Bottom tick entries, bottom tick longs. About to recover on our... Yeah, I'm gonna still leave this one open a little bit more. I'm out from my blue sky. 323. Recovered on that one. But I'm still leaving the big value accounts open. $500 profit secured. Good morning, good day. Let's go. Come on. The entry is 768 on that candle. It went down 767. You guys like this? I'm leaving it open. If we cross this high, I'm leaving it open. I'm gonna trail right at the starting point of this candle for both big value accounts. Starting point of this candle, 798 trailing. We're not gonna give back all that money made. Oh yeah. Keep that money right there. If you want to go for a ride, give me that move from here, and if it's a beautiful, we secure the profits. Secure the profits. I'm going to look for a better entry, a little lower. Not an issue. We haven't touched today's low, guys. I'm not sure if you're aware about it, but we haven't touched it. We haven't touched today's low. We actually front run. Run. 14 grand profit. We got to front run. I'm wondering if the next candle is going to be green. Wondering. Because if it's green, then at the opening, it's worth to long it. I got into a long for my blue sky. There you go. For the move a little higher, and I'm out here. Beautiful 746 profit. Perfect, guys. Oh, look at that rejection. We cashed out perfectly. Totally smell that right. 746 profit. Copy trading. Copy trading. Celebration time. That's how you scalp. Blue sky is not having limits. Boom. With the number of seconds and all that stuff. No. Oh, there you go. That's the way they're putting it out. Trump on Iran. 3, 2, 1. What about the next scandal, guys? I'm just waiting. We're too close to today's low not to be touched. And then you will say too close to the weekly VWAP not to go for it. 696 right there. So we're too close right now for today's low not to retest it. Which is why any longs here are having a dangerous situation. I can tell you. Because I'm going to short it a little. A little. Big Valley as well. Short pretty much everywhere. Big Valley and FundedSeat. Wow. We just exploded on my short. Unbelievable. Yeah. Going 2 minis on the account I said will no longer trade today anymore. Going 2 minis on that one too. So watch me out not respecting my limits. It testifies. Risky. Added another contract to this. We'll see. I'm risking. Not really liking it. Not really liking it the way this started moving. This is a lot of algo buying here. I like this 1 minute for the moment, and I DC it a little. I DC it a little here, just to have a better ability to get out in the next candle, probably. Probably in the next candle. Lovely. Let's do that 2,000, 3,000 I was talking about in this account today. I'm DCing for the next candle. I am 6 minutes short, guys. I've DC'd. I'm looking forward to seeing minimum double red candle in a row, which is hard because the bulls are here leading the path. Nah. Oh my god. The bulls are not giving up. Yeah, this is not looking good for my shorts. Gotta get out. Yeah, if the rejection is missing from here, I'm out, guys. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. 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 This is still going on. This is still going on. Add a little more. add it a little more in case it stops grinding. We will smash it. Bring it down. 2 red candles in a row is all I need for this one. We got in a short for our blue sky too. We're short pretty much everywhere. I'm a little oversized, so I'm gonna cut some of that. I'm gonna cut some of that soon. I'm a little bit oversized. I'm gonna cut some of that soon. We're 8 minutes short, guys. That's beautiful. 2 minutes have been touched. Come on, bring it down. We're stop loss break even. Break even touch 405 on profit. Not really exciting. But our shorts are open on Blue Sky. Shorts are open on Blue Sky on all the 4 accounts we have. Risky. Risky. I do see the wicks, but this is nasty for the moment. And I have my shorts here, plus we have the big belly accounts. Yeah, that 400 is good. Target was close to be touched here, guys. Look at that. Damn bulls. They're actively buying. Damn bulls. And we continue downwards. Asking for a friend. Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. "12 seconds. Nonsense, right? Probably have to get out. Yeah. Probably have to get out of the other ones too. And this one too. 2,266 down. The good part is we have 4,000 down as a max drawdown because it's static. Damn. This 1 minute candle was the big discussion here, guys. Yeah. Could go a little bit higher and then drop. Could hit the 900s. That's where the daily VWAP sits. 900. We have 880s an algo on 880. An algo on 880. The only trades I have are here with a big belly. Massively lost on this one too. Well, we're gonna recover. Hard to short it from here. Yeah, we got him very aggressive for the upside. Yeah, Too aggressive, obviously. Nah, I don't like it. Still a little room and space for the 900s. What do you guys think about? Still a little room and space for the 900s. We got in a long again. I'm out from my shorts on the big belly. And I'm longing it, guys. Going for the 900s. I'll take a few thousands with that if it hits. I'll be happy. It's 899, 897, right? Something around that. Big Valley is in profit. Oh, yeah. Which Lucid Flexor Pro? Lucid. Flex is no consistency on the funded stage, but you have on the evaluation 50%. You don't have target on the funded stage. You can cash out 50% of your profits after 5 days of trading, with minimum per day, depends on the account size. And then Lucid Pro, no daily loss limit. Actually, both accounts at the moment have no daily loss limit because of the temporary limited time promotion. Lucid Pro is cheaper right now. It's not cheaper in terms of the price, but the discount is bigger, which is interesting. We like them both, so I suggest you to test out. Lucid Pro has consistency on the funded. If you don't want consistency on the funded, then Flex. Flex is the name of the game. It really depends on you, exactly what you like. Market's pretty slow here. Pretty slow. Pretty slow. I don't want to see a slow bleeding back all the way to starting point of this whole swing. I got back in along for the 900s in case we just sweep that high. I am sufficient on that. Peter, thank you, buddy. Peter, depends which account, Peter. Yes, Lucid Pro is cheaper than Lucid Flex. 150,000 right now on the Pro is a great deal, guys. It's yeah, so the Lucid Pro 150,000 is a great deal right now with 40% off. The 50,000 from Blusky. Yeah, the Propel. So the Propel 50,000 pre-funded with 1,000. They don't come really pre-funded with 1,000. I don't think it happens. Local laws prohibiting trading live with an account. I don't think. You can trade your, but you don't have 1,000. Where do you have 1,000? Pre-funded with 1,000. Ah, the Blusky accounts, the Propel. The Propel 50k is here. Right, so you have $2,000 drawdown. You're not just having 1,000 there. 2,000 end of the day drawdown. Law tells you you need a license, you say. You don't trade as a professional, you trade as a non-professional on the stage. Exactly. Exactly. Europeans are... Daily opening, back to this. I'll still have to keep my one open here. Good evening, good day, welcome guys. Let's go with the move, guys. Let's go. I like this reaction. I like it. We need a price action to have a few green candles right now and continuously push. Yes, accept, of course. Yes, they do fight. It's always a fight for everything. That's the way you get used for the live conditions. Each and one of them is a market maker. Gold struggling. I like this candle, guys, this support. That just came up. I like it. Totally disappeared. Might have to accept the loss here. Might have to. Might have to. We are good. We are good sleeping in this long. Oh, about to make a new low. We've got to find a way to recover. We're gonna probably leave this one open till we have a comfortable situation getting out, and then go for it. Yeah. Made a new low, guys. Made a new low. Wondering if it makes sense to... Yeah. Not much to do. Just wait for a swing high and then get out, get back in a short. Complicated. We'll have to tweak and adjust this trade, guys, for the next period. Oh yeah. Complicated. We have a few more minutes and we're gonna start the giveaways. We must hit minimum 180 likes, remember. Could continue to the weekly. We will right below the... What's that? 699. $6.99 right now. Not an issue taking a loss here, but I'd like to take a loss on the move upwards. Yeah. On the move. We just touched the level right now, guys. We just touched the level right now. This is not this big value account is gonna get burned, but this is burning a lot of accounts, this price action. Oh my gosh. Hell of a move downwards. Nasty Nasdaq today instead of conferring for the upside. Yeah, look at that. It's already 660s. 40 grand down. Guess what? 40 grand down. Wow. Yeah. A lovely day. Lovely day in the office. Now, 12 AC said it. We were close to 30,000. He said it. I won 300 points down. What a mess, guys. He's playing against the community. Haha. Make sure you guys remember that. He's playing against the community. Unbearable. Still going down. I need some green candles to get out of this. And then I'll do my way into recovering. Not an issue. Not an issue, guys. But I need some green candles of 1 minute. Yeah. Reasonable. I'll have a break of 1 minute. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, be right back. Do not take this one down. Enough is enough. 2 minutes and I'll be back, guys. 2 minutes. Looks a little bit better. Looks a little bit better. 2 minute, guys, and we're starting the giveaways. Looks a little better, but we need a strong push. Way more than this. Way more than this. And you know that it's not easy holding. Yeah. V-shape right now. Scrembo is ready for the recovery. Ha ha ha. 30? Only 30? Give me 40, 50, buddy. Give me 40, 50. Hmm. 968 is good for me. 29,968 is good for me. Oh yeah. I just want to make sure we're having the capacity here, the capability of a slow grinding. That's all I need, a slow grinding. Alright guys, so how many likes do we have? Because the time is over for our target of 180. Oh, look at that. We have 170. 1 minute. 1 more minute. Extra time. Otherwise, I have to make the decision right now about the giveaways. 1 minute extra time for the 180. If we're going to miss that, 1 minute. Right? So the next candle, you want to watch my screen. This candle. That's open right now. This candle. When this candle closes, we need to have minimum 180 likes. If we don't, we're not going to do 300k, we're going to do a lot less. Oh, there you go. We jumped to 200. So we're fine. No. It was not right about Spain. He was not right about it. No. You were hoping to be right. Good job, guys. So, you were only speculating. You were not right. You're only right when the truth is known without waiting for the results. The truth is not known prior to that. You're not right. You're speculating correctly, but you're not right. Right means a universal right. It's not a universal right. It's a speculation, a game of probabilities. And here we go, guys. Instead of climbing, this is actually retesting that 650s again, driving me nuts. Time for the giveaways. Time for the giveaways. It was not the best day for sure. Which is not an issue, I'll tell you honestly. You gotta have days like this, and on top of that, this trade is not closed, so this is not realized loss. And if we take 30 grand right now after we recover from 150, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Argentina. Well, you will see with Argentina. You will see tonight. Penalties. You'll see some penalties. You'll see some VR touch. We need the wheel, we need the ducks, and we need formula. We don't need formula today, sorry. Oh, is he paying big bucks? Here we have, guys, the wheel. Here we have the wheels. We are getting ready for the giveaways. Giveaway times. And surely it is like that. So, we're doing Blue Sky, first giveaway. Blue Sky, 3 accounts of 50k. We don't have form today. No form today. It is not working. We don't have form today. We're just starting the giveaways right now. No form today. 3 accounts of 50k for the Blue Sky. Watch out for the numbers. Wait. Do not write anything. Oh my gosh. Do not write anything. We don't even have the numbers up, guys. What are you doing? Those guys were from the last time, from yesterday. Come on. Come on, chat. You're acting like Nasdaq today. Haha. Rip it. All the way up to 950s. Rip it. So I'm putting out the numbers. 777, single 8. Let me know your best choice. Start right now. You can start right now. 777, single 8. Let's go, guys. Come on. Increase the excitement. This is gonna be hot. 777, single 8 for 3 accounts on Blue Sky of 50,000, totaling 150 grand. So we're gonna have 3 winners here. Remember, all the coupons, all the links, you can have it on our YouTube, you can have it on our Discord, you can find everything you need. The numbers are here. Blue Sky is the only company we have 3 different coupon codes. Depends on what would you like to buy. Stop right there, guys. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go. We are good to go. Aggressive trading. Why would you go with all the numbers? What does that mean? Space Jam. No spamming. You guys gotta be careful. The system will lock you out. That's gonna be number 7. Congratulations for the winners. Number 7. Yeah. I bet you got this one easily, right? I bet you got this one easily. Keep it going. Keep it going. It looks juicy and lovely at the same time. Not rigged anymore. It was rigged a few days ago. I can assure you it was fully rigged a few days ago. Oh, we have, let me see it in our community. We have some silly guys spamming. Let me first ban. Wow. Someone that is suggesting you to make $1 million and is hoping to find someone sending him $5. Here we go, guys. 138 fellas competing for a minute. We're gonna have 2 rounds. Listen up, chat. 2 rounds. You know what that means? I'll tell you who qualifies for the 2nd round. Top 3 will not qualify. Rank 4, 5th, and 6th will qualify. No. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're gonna have 4 ducks qualifying for the 2nd round. Just to make sure 1 duck is not gonna win in the 2nd round. Because we have 3 accounts of 50k. Right? So we gotta make this one exciting. Sadistic. Just like 12VC likes it. He's a very sadistic person. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th is qualifying 2nd round. Top 3 will not go anywhere. Looter. My account is in trouble. It's down 51,000. Quantum, you're winning the wrong race, buddy. How dare you? Oh my god. How dare Quantum, you're winning the wrong race. Look at that. Shubham, Joelas. You are winning the wrong races, guys. Oh. And then we have Joella, no. We have X-Keith, Hassan, and Strange qualifying, plus Percenter. These guys are qualifying for the next one. For the next round. Right, so let me double check on that. X-Keith, Hassan, Strange, and Percenter. Totally rigged. There you go. Come on, guys. Time for you to go 30 seconds. And guess the way we're gonna do it, guys. Guess the way we're gonna do it. The first rank will not receive anything. Second, third, and fourth will receive the accounts. So first ranked, the winner will not receive anything. 4 ducks, 3 winners. First one is gonna miss out. Percenter, I guess you're going to be the victim. Look at that. You're my target today, percenter of my games. My nasty games, percenter. Look at that. Oh. accs, Hassan, and Strange is winning. You guys like the mind games. You know, I'm no different than the way... Sure, I can show you that one, guys. I can show you that one. Congratulations for the winners, accs, Hassan, and Strange. Oh, my account. What's happening with my account? Ooh. My long 10 minutes entry is hanging around the top. Well, we're about to get liquidated here. And it's time for me to start trembling. But we might find a way. We might find a way to this. Beautiful. So what do we have to do? Yeah, we got to go for the numbers. We got to go for the numbers. I'll ask you, chat, which giveaway do you want? You want the... And let me do the pool. From Lucid. I'll do the pool. Wait, guys, wait. Start a pool. Once we have 100 people voting, we're gonna go for that option. Let me know your best response, guys. Let me know your... Is it working? I don't see, chat, if this is working or not. Is the pool working on your side, chat, to vote? Let me... Badger, is it working to vote? I can't see the pool moving. Alright, so... Yeah, let me redo that. Oh, it worked. It worked. 102 votes. I was not seeing the results real time. That's why I asked. Pro, 57% went with a pro. 6% when we don't want it. And 1% said better nothing. And we're down $60,000 here. This is getting slaughtered. We were having 409 at the starting time today. I thought this is a 400k account. Looks like it's different. It's not a 400k. Looks like it is different. Alright, so watch out for the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 0, 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Let me know your best choice. 0, 1, 2, 3. Your best choice is needed for a Lucid Pro. 50k Lucid Pro. All right, stop right there. No more guesses. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Is it going to be number 2? I think so. I think so. Do we stop here? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. I wanted to push this one for the 0, guys, I promise you. I wanted to push this one for the 0. And I couldn't, so it's fully confirmed the system is not rigged. Fully confirmed the system is not rigged. I wanted to push this one for 0. Pixels away. Certainly. Number 2 for the winners, and that's kind of highly popular. Not really, a 54. Going for the Lucid Pro. 30 seconds competition time. Rank number 10 is winning. Rank number 10. I'll repeat that. Chat, I'll repeat that. Rank number 10 is winning the account. Do not hurry up. Do not. Oh, there you go. Someone is speeding up. And it's not the right moment. During speeders, you got to speed up. But rank number 10 is Joyman. Oh, Joyman, you got this one, Joyman. Oh my gosh. Pendulum so close, but the Joyman is winning the 50,000. Look at that. 50,000. There's a few guys close to that. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Joyman, congratulations, buddy. Continuing, guys, with the last giveaway. Last giveaway is going to have a lot of accounts. 3 accounts, basically. First will be a top 1 futures 25,000 Elite Daily. Elite Daily. Second will be a 25,000 FundedSeat Flex. And third will be a 50k YRM. We still have those, guys. We still have accounts. We're not trading YRM anymore. We quite have a few more. So watch out for the numbers, guys. Watch out. 00, 22, single 7, single 9. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice, guys. Come on. You can start right now. Winners gotta reach out to me on Discord. All the winners gotta reach out to me on Discord. I'll repeat that. All the winners reach out to me on Discord to claim your account. Wouldn't be bad to have some strong. Yeah, you don't want to be behind on live. Click on that live. You fool, be caught up. Click on that live. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, guys. Have a good one. Have a good one, chat. It's not going to be 0. It's not going to be number 2. We can have that number 9 on green. What do you guys think about? Are you going to be satisfied with number 9 on green? Because that's where I'm planning to stop the pedal. That's why you're missing out. 630s on Nasdaq. Gotta go for 900s. Number 9 for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations on that. Good job. Number 9 for the winners. Let's go for the last race today. 640s on Nasdaq. It's plenty of money to recover. Look at that one, guys. 40 grand. 40 grand P&L for today. 40. 35 guys winning around. Neo Spirit. Oh, yeah. 30 seconds competition time. Top 3 is going to win. We're not going to play with your mind anymore. Top 3 is going to win big time. He's got it, Badger. He's got it. Top 3 is going to win. NPC World is dominating, which is not a good sign at this moment of the race. You got to get back. Get back. Get back. Oh. Wrong moment. Tech Fitness. Tech Fitness. And the BMW Bayer Motorenwerken is winning. Tech Fitness. Tap on futures. Elite Daily goes out to your pockets. $25,000. BMW Bayer Motorenwerken goes out to your pocket on a FundedSeat. $25,000 FundedSeat. And Grigor Mateus, third account, 50k YRM to your pockets. Congratulations for the winners, guys. Look at a nasty Nasdaq already putting out a 5-minute candle here. Well, we should have pushed this 40 points we are seeing right now. This, guys, should have appeared for the upside. Something like this. I mean, when we touch the daily opening 805, I could get out of my short, which is open weight higher. Get out of my long. Get out of my long. Because I hold on a long. You guys know that. Look at that lovely P&L. You guys will find out what happened on this account tomorrow. If we have 6 digits losses, 4 digits losses, or green P&L. Thank you once again, guys. Have a beautiful day and a lovely time out there. Peace. You know the coupon, you know the links. Thank you once again. Be careful on this markets. Sometimes they do silly things. Might fool you. Have a lovely day, guys. Have a beautiful